What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. This is the unboxing of the iPod Touch in 2018. The iPod Touch that I have here is a 32GB silver in color. It's an iPod Touch that's 32GB. So I bought this iPod Touch from Target Australia for $100. How good is that? Actually 95 after the staff discount. So yeah, pretty good deal. Yeah, they still make these. So iPod Touch 32GB. So there's more details over there. You can see the model number right there. Looks legit. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. So that's the manual. And it's got a little ribbon on it. How cool is that? Yes, Apple stickers. Nice. Let's see what else is in the box. So I can see some good pair of earphones. Well, they're okay. They're mediocre, but they're okay. That's the charging cable right there. The lightning cable. Yes, no USB Type-C, not even in an iPhone, so forget about the iPod Touch. These are the earphones. 3.5mm headphone jack, has a microphone, as you can see from the jack right there. And that's pretty much it. Let's have a look at the iPod itself. Let's peel off the plastic from the bottom here. Ooh, fancy. I used to have a first generation of iPod. I don't know what happened to that. I just got rid of it. Yeah, I guess. But this is the 6th generation. For $100, what you're getting right here, I think this is brilliant. No notch, still a big forehead and a chin. I mean, can't complain though. The most annoying part was the power button on top, because you had to reach all the way up to the top. But since this is not that big, I don't mind anyway. Let's try and turn it on. This is an Apple device I actually own after a very long time. So camera, flash, microphone, Wi-Fi antenna, has the front-facing camera as well. Let's go ahead and set it up. So the battery is almost died. Has no notch. iPod Touch has no notch. So that looks like that's pretty much it. Let's quickly head on to the settings and have a look at what's available. There it is. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye bye now.